So you're in Ardmore at 7:30 in the morning on a Saturday? What are you going to do around here? I've got something for you. You're going to head to our Farmers Market Saturday Market. It's right here in downtown Ardmore. Let's go check out what they've got. Good morning. This is what I do for you. This is what I do for you. There's a farmer's market. It's going to be every Saturday, the Saturday market here in Ardmore, and I wanted to feature it for you guys, but my girl that runs it, Jamie, she says you got to be there early. So what have I realized I've done already? I left my gimbal and microphone at home. Oh my God, I need more coffee. So I'm sorry. We're just rolling with it. Right down over here, Main Street Coffee. That's going to be stop number 2. You know it. Ready? So this is the lovely Jamie Hawley, and she is the runner of the insanity around here. I shouldn't say that. This is awesome. It's
Chaos
amazing.
coordinating is my real title. Let's just be honest.
There you go. There you go. Also, the owner of the Pretty Pink Cactus and Company. Go check her out. I'll be sure to put a link in the description below. All right, so talk to me, Jamie. What do we got going on here?
I'm the market manager for the Farmers Market downtown for this year.
Awesome.
So we are normally at 106 East Broadway, which is next to Keys Grocery.
Okay.
We run from 7:30 till noon every Saturday, starting today, May 29th, and we're gonna go all the way till September. We might go to October because we'll have pumpkins.
Awesome. With the owner of Phoenix Farms LLC out of Davis, Oklahoma. So talk to me about what you guys do. What makes you special with your veggies?
Okay, so we are a seasonal market farm, which means we grow veggies depending on what the season is. It's family owned and operated. We're out of Davis, Oklahoma. We just got certified to be certified naturally grown this year, which is pretty cool. We follow the same guidelines and the same regulations as a USDA certified organic program. However, certified naturally grown is more of a grassroots movement, so it's governed by farmers that are doing the same thing we're doing.
Nice.
We don't spray any chemical fertilizers or herbicides or pesticides or anything. It's as organic as possible.
Love it.
So there's a lot more I could go into on all that, but yeah, so we're pretty proud of that. Veggies vary depending on what time of year we're at. I mean, right now you can see we've got a lot of lettuce greens, root crops, baby
huge
beans.
variety.
But yeah, we try and involve our kids as much as we can, or as much as they're willing,
that's fun.
on the farm. And yeah.
And you have your own YouTube channel also.
We do. It's Phoenix Farms OK.
Awesome. Photo bomber.
That's my son.
Well, I'll be sure to put a link to your YouTube channel below. Well, I'm loving what you're doing here. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Kitchen, and this right here is Miss Carol.
Hi.
Hi. So Carol, tell me about your product.
Well, I am a local resident here of Ardmore, and I have a passion for baking. I am a chemist by education.
Chemist.
And I just apply that to my baking, and it's all an experiment.
Well, I can't wait. I'm excited to try your product.
Everything is scratch. Everything is custom. I try to do old-fashioned grandma cooking here at the farmers market,
yes,
and
ma'am.
then I do custom orders for whatever gourmet needs you have. Pink Kitchen Home Bakery. Find me on Facebook.
Thank you. So I hope you enjoyed the tour of our little farmers market, Saturday market. They're doing it every single Saturday from now until the fall of the year. And like Jamie said, they're hoping to extend into October so they can include some pumpkins. How fun, a little pumpkin patch. Can't believe I'm saying that, and summer hasn't even really started yet. But I don't know about you, I was really surprised with the variety of vegetables that were there. I'm super excited to see what the rest of the season will bring. And anyways, yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you're interested in learning more about things to do here in Ardmore, then please be sure to check out my next video. Otherwise, if you want to see the smiling little face every single week, then be sure to hit that subscribe button. Until the next time.